from Henry dear, said Mrs. Henry Brown. You always disappear when the evening sun goes down. You eat my meat and drink my chicken soup. Then I notice that you fly the coop. You can't pass through that door without your mama anymore. 'Cause mama goes where papa goes, or papa don't go out tonight. Mama goes 'cause mama knows you can't be trusted out of her sight. Mama's got a feeling that she must be near, just to help her papa keep his conscience clear. So mama goes where papa goes, or papa don't go out tonight. No, 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 papa don't go out tonight. Bedroom slippers and your favorite pipe. Here's your yellow bathrobe with the purple stripe. You can go and step, but listen, Papa dear, there ain't a thing out there you can't get in here. I've had plenty of daddies, and you ain't the worst. But your mama here believes in safety first. Any married woman will admit I'm right. A husband in your home is worth a dozen out of your sight. Now, mama goes where papa goes. Oh, papa don't go out tonight. Mama goes 'cause mama knows you can't be trusted out of her sight. Don't believe the man who said that love was blind. Say, I forget you hung for what is on your mind. So mama goes where papa goes. Or papa don't go out tonight. Take your shoes off, honey. Papa don't go out tonight.
I've got the oh-so, feeling 'cause my sweetest gone. I mean, I've got it bad. I've tried to make believe that I'm not sad, not a single soul to cheer me, and I'm so forlorn. No one to hear my cries and sympathize. Nobody knows but my pillow and me. Nobody knows half the troubles I see. It's my delusion. Life is not a sweet song. It's my conclusion that the whole entire world is wrong times when I'm smiling, when I ought to be sighing, should be crying for a little bit of sympathy. Lonesome me, I'm trying to make them believe everything is satisfying. Oh, nobody knows but my pillow and me. Nobody knows but my pillow and me. Nobody knows half the troubles I see. It's my delusion. Life is not a sweet song. It's my conclusion that the whole entire world is long times when I'm smiling, when I ought to be sighing, should be crying for a little bit of sympathy. Lonesome me, I'm trying to make them
feel so lonely. I'd give the world if I could only make you understand. It surely would be grand. I'm going to telegraph you, baby, ask you, won't you please come home? 'Cause when you're gone, I worry all day long. Oh, baby, won't you please come home? 'Cause your mama's all alone. I have tried in vain, nevermore to call your name. When you left, you broke my heart, but that will never make us part. Every hour in the day, you will hear me say, baby, won't you please come home? Cruel Papa, baby, won't you please come home?